of the day, the June beverages. We are targeting of 200 million young working adults in China, mainly millennials, the people born after 1980s. We will targeting this product into cooperation with Coaching Logistics, which is booming in China, and we will also be working with domestic manufacturers and suppliers in that sense. And with our products, we want to position it as a healthy drink that you can drink during the day, or especially when you do it every day, it's especially good for you. And then it has a bunch of antioxidants and vitamins that comes with the juice. And the one thing we saw missing in all the juice beverages that you have in the supermarket or convenience store shelves is the fibers. That's really hasn't been there, and it hasn't been there in the daily common Chinese diet as well. So what we want to put that in there as well. And then with the bottle design, we have a 400 mils of a small bottle that are friendly to our females, especially. And we have the press open bottle that is especially convenient for one hand operating. That you can use with one hand with the bottle and the other with the tail.
And the best thing about jute juice is it's non-permanently processed from hand-picked fruits, and it comes in very convenient 400 ml package, and you can open it just by one hand. So other hand you can use to grab popcorn or use yourself.
Yeah, and we are looking to start this product mainly in tier 1 cities to start, targeting at high-end consumers. And we also want to take it a bit differently to approach to our young adults, to mainly do through social media marketing. It's
Well done, boys. Round of applause. Big yes. No, before we ask the shark a question, you haven't actually asked the shark what are you wanting the shark to do?
Okay.
Do you want money? Do you want
Sure.
mentorship? Do you want?
Yeah, we want to.
Do you want to borrow upon her expertise? Or do you want something? You need to. You
Yeah.
just present and not ask for anything.
Especially for the capitals we start, and the connections into the local manufacturing facilities. Yeah.
So you're looking for connections into China?
Yes.
Right, well, you can ask whatever question you like.
So my question is, I think you did mention you want to put fiber, so
Yeah.
I assume it's going to go fiber.
Yes.
What type of sources are you looking at?
They are naturally crushed fruits itself. Most of them sold in
Oh, okay, all right. And what about your bottle design? Because you mentioned that you make it so that it's easy to hold in my hand. And is that the top, is that something special?
It's a flip open, so you can just use your finger to open it. Yeah.
And when you say long-term potency, what do you mean?
We are trying to use something like polycyclic flip to possibly juice increase the quantity of juice, as well as improve the yield.
What's the price point?
Because we are targeting the tier 1 cities, so we assume they have good purchasing power. So we're trying to bring in so they can afford it.
So will you as a shark help with this business? Is it something that interests you based upon what you've just heard?
I would like to see the business plan first. But the idea is interesting, especially the bottle design. I think that's kind of like what we try to set the platform other
Yes.
product in the business. Because there's a lot of product already with non-level process, HPP and all this. But the bottle design, I think, is something that might be quite unique and maybe you can use it for something else.
Yes.
And just finally, do you have a name?
No, Okay, as in the design itself is the J as a banana, the U as a watermelon, C as a carbohydrate.
It should have been in your original pitch.
Yeah.
One of the most important things. Juk.
And feel free to share the prototype with the shark because you want to engage the shark.
Oh, okay.
And maybe one question from me while the shark is assessing the prototype. What was the one aha that you learned from today that you will take back and use in your PhD research?
We just look at to go from the consumer and walk it backward. In a sense.
Yeah. Okay. What about yourself?
Yeah, that's trying to get different perspectives.
Very good, thank you.
Well done.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure today here to introduce our new Luna juice. So the name of Luna means L-O is luxury, which means the luxury design of the bottle and also the premium juice inside the bottle. And the NA means natural, which means our bottle of juice is made of all natural ingredients. And the H means health, or it's a very, very healthy juice. And our target audience is young and middle-aged women from the middle and upper class. And we will collaborate with the high-level supermarket and boutiques and some of the department store in China to sell our product.
And this bottle will offer you healthy, fresh and nutritious juice. If you look at the design, you can see a small window here which is transparent. So you can see through the bottle, and if it's orange or apple, you can get to know what it is. And also you can see here edible gold flakes. This makes the bottle very unique, and also the bottle is made of glass and silver. That's also uniqueness of the container. And another thing is that you can open it in one hand, just this way, and drink it.
And there's one thing special about our bottle is that's many different colors of gems on the bottle. So if you see the ruby, it means watermelon flavor. And if you see the yellow gem, it means orange flavor. So you can easily tell what's that and the flavor of the juice from the gems on the bottle. And our tagline is luxury and health in one. Thank you.
They just built to a crescendo. Luxury and health in one. And that's the end of your presentation.
Yes.
But what are you asking the shark for?
We ask the shark for firstly is the money. And the secondly is the distributor in China. So we would like to sell our product in high-level supermarket or the boutiques and the department stores. So we need some connection.
These connections and money thereafter. What would you like to ask them?
So I noticed that your design of your bottle, you have a straw. On the outside, is that I mean, in terms of, because you said that you want to make it easily accessible, but the straw is actually easy to connect with the juice, or you have to actually, how does it work?
Actually, this straw is connected with the bottle. So when you set the straw, you can see the juices comes from the straw and around the bottle.
So the straw is part of the package?
Yes,
Yes.
right.
And the material to make these bottles, because you mentioned silver. If silver is pretty expensive. Possibly a collectible item.
At first, we made the bottle with platinum.
Yes.
So we changed to silver, which is more flexible. This is not only the bottle, and you can reuse the bottle after you finish your drink as a like flower vase or the pen holder or anything.
Trophy.
Or the rubbish bin. So you can, so we have different colors and different kinds of gems. So you can
So how does it, so it's almost like a collectible item, I think that's right? A lot of the companies now looking at sustainability, of course, right? They want to use packaging and stuff. How does the company also do that? Because you try to diversify.
Are you recyclable? If you melted that down, would it be recyclable?
Yes.
Or do you intend to be? Or do you just think it's a one-off purchase and then it becomes something you use elsewhere?
Maybe pass through the next generation.
Family heirloom. We've never had a generational design in all these years.
It's not only the bottle, it's the artist. It's also the art. Or you can just pack the gems from the bottle. The jewelry, and rings.
I think you're digging a bigger hole. You're disappearing slowly. But these are all good questions. There's something, I mean, you've worked a lot with your presentation on why you've done what you've done, but these are very good questions and fast moving consumers. But overall, very good.
Everyone. This is our branding. So we are Joe's Juice, 100% oranges, 100% Australian. This is our logo. So it's a orange and an equally sized Joe, Farmer Joe with his tall hat, to really tie into the Australian heritage piece.
Farmer Joe's third generation Australian farmer from rural New South Wales. He makes the most delicious, he produces the most delicious Valencia oranges in the world. And all we're trying to do is turn into juice and share it across the world.
Which we've already done in Australia very successfully, and now we want to share it further.
We want to tap into the Chinese market using an ultra premium, ultra luxe design that sets consumers apart from others. So have a feel of it. It's in the shape of an orange. It's segmented so that you can grip it.
A segment is missing, so your fingers go in the segment, and they're not.
You can hold it any which way you want. That's novel. That's novel. No one's tried
I
that.
suppose that's the natural. So actually, we ran out of Play-Doh, but it's meant to be a bit bigger, and we hold it like that. Yes. So it's made out of glass, and it has a small lid, so that it's easy to drink and won't spill. It's a different model to what we're using in Australia because we have done market research of the Chinese consumer, and what they consider premium is different to what the Australian market considers premium.
Yes, we're looking to tap into some white-collar working females that really want to stand out from the crowd while still appreciating the fine health effects of this orange juice. It's 100% organic, free preservatives, and absolutely delicious. And absolutely beautiful, would you not agree?
Contains a pulp still.
Oh, 100% pulp too.
100%.
Orange.
Yes, it's an orange.
And what are you asking of the shop?
We would like, so the bottle, we have a lot of faith in it based on research we have done, but we would like funding to create the mould for the bottles.
We'd like the juice to be really high quality and fresh in China, so we'd like everything to be manufactured and the juice to be prepared there. We'll ship the oranges over, so we're just looking for a little bit of capital to start up the production.
And does the shark get equity for that investment?
All the information.
You're just giving your idea away.
We're already giving equity to Joe.
Another thing,
Yeah.
making the packaging.
Joe's also really excited
So Joe
because
is a person.
yes,
He's a real person.
and his son Jack isn't that interested in taking on the farm because there's been a lot of drought in New South Wales. But he's hoping that this international market may intrigue Jack. Yes.
So can I ask questions?
Yeah, questions from the shop.
So what is the volume of this juice bottle?
That's not quite the scale.
Yeah, so what's the real scale? What do you think about?
500 mils.
It's one thing from our research that we've done is that Chinese customers prefer to have a lot of juice, but not to drink it in one sitting. So they keep sipping away and just waste off the time to really turn into a fashion item.
And the reason why you make it like this shape is to remind people of orange. Is that
It's more that we found that to convince the Chinese consumer to buy into the premium market, they want it to be special, cute, and they want it to be unique so it feels like it's theirs. So we've really played to that. There are a few premium products that weren't so ergonomic in that they couldn't get their hands around it, which is why we've taken a slice out of the orange.
I do like the idea of this actually. It's making it easier to know because it's less like it's a bit rounded.
Yes. Yes.
So what material are you thinking of making this plastic?
Glass.
Glass. So yeah, glass. And in terms of packaging this together in like palette or because obviously the shape is quite unusual.
So the wedges are designed so that they're wide enough that you can wedge them together like a puzzle piece into a crate.
I like it. It's cute. So
Does that mean you'll invest or you need to see the business plan?
I do get to see the business. I'm very careful with my money. So it's a good concept. It's quite a nice idea. And if you can make it obviously more sustainable in terms of packaging and glass is good, but glass is also heavy. So that's another consideration you need to consider for your because if you want to export, freight costs.
We'll be having a manufacturer in China to make the packaging. So we will
But then you want to sell it in China.
Yes, so we'll ship the oranges to China to be co-man. And also the bottles need to be made in China too.
Will that be one of the things, obviously, you want to kind of emphasize on the freshness, not the freshness, but the product origin, which is from Australia. Packaging it in China might give that illusion that it's a Chinese product, which might not be well received with the customer that you are targeting.
Take that back to the side.
Maybe taking on that feedback, we could use recycled plastic.
We might need some more plastic.
I think you've just been given a lot of things to consider from the shark, which is great, and it'll give you an appreciation for how difficult it really is to do everything that you want to pick up production and go into China and make it feasible. So it's not easy. But you've done enough in your pitch to let us know at least you've thought about your idea, and it's a terrific idea. It just needs a little more grounding out, but for a day session, you've done really well.
Thank you.
There's no excitement in the juice. Everyone is living in a fast-paced world, and you want healthy, everyone's organic, healthy, and we're all on the same line. So what can we do in order to make it exciting, right? And what we decided to do is that we add a scratch and win ticket in every single one. So it's not just like drinking and that's it. You will get the health benefit out of the juice, but there will be something to look for in the packaging itself. So once you open it, it's inside, so you don't have to like sneaky people get scratch it on the outside. It's inside. It's like a perfectly good safe. So that will be an issue. And yeah, so that will be will bring something new to your day, right? You will get your health, and you also get a chance to do something that you like, whether it's like go to ticket to a movie or maybe a trip to somewhere, but that will be its main part.
Thank you, Fernando. So I'll talk to you about the design of the bottle. And we have done some market research about the Chinese consumers, and since, as you can see, it's pretty interesting. And the name of our juice is Jewel Juice, and it comes with a tagline, health and wealth in a bottle. So in every human life, there are two things every person are very close to their heart. That's health and wealth at the same time. So what we are trying to do is like we'll have fruit juices in this, and it will be a premium one, and the Chinese consumers want to see what's there in the bottle. So in order to maintain the integrity, we have left part of it half like visible so that it's very transparent and they can see. And the second part, as my friend has mentioned, it's like you can flip it and open, and it's scratch card. So as you know, Chinese market very demanding and difficult to get into. So we have just launched 100 bottles because it has done extremely great in the Australian market. So to tap into the Chinese market. So like every 100 bottles, like the first 100 bottles, when you scratch it, you will get up to $30 vouchers to shop in your Woolworth clothes or something. Plus, please guys, there will be a number written at the bottom. Keep this thing. So at the end of the month, please keep an eye on all the hoardings in the retail stores. 5 lucky winners will get movie tickets, a high-end dining to one of the good restaurants, or maybe a one-way flight ticket to some of the nearby cities. So it's another reason to buy our product. So yes, health and wealth in a bottle. Thank you.
And what are you asking of the shop?
Yes. So our bottle is like, it will cost $5. And we are doing more than you're expecting, so good thing. So what we want from you is like, since once our 100 bottle like hits the mark and it's like sold. So depending on how it works, we want more connections within the Chinese market, more retail stores like who are possible buyers, because we're targeting the working class, the fast-paced life, like the age group of 25, 35 or 40, because they don't have time in life. But at the same time, they want to stay healthy and earn something in their pocket. So we want connections. Yes, we want to increase our business. Yes, please.
I definitely need to see your business plan.
Yes, please.
Because I'm trying to do a quick calculation. So you said
Yes.
it's a 100 bottles for $5 each.
Yes.
So that's $500.
Yes.
But then you're giving away $30.
Yes. That's only the first 100. That's just to launch and you
But
consumers.
you also mentioned something about giving like
Yes,
high-end dining and so on.
that will only for the 5 out of 100, only 5 or maybe 3 will get that.
Yeah, and
It's a lucky draw kind of a thing.
Right.
So after that, we'll see how the business grows.
So where are you making money?
Exactly. $500, you're like high-end dining, it would be like $100.
Probably it's not like every bottle.
Yeah, it's not every bottle will win, so we'll have something definitely. So maybe he'll win 30, I'll win 0. So it's very easy to hold because of the triangular shape. It's very easy to hold also. So it's like
The triangle shape probably because this is a high pressure HPC fitted mix, because the triangle shape makes it easy for them to batch high pressure. That's probably the reason why. So I guess my question will be again, this is how to see the business plan, because you're trying to make money or lose money. Although the concept is quite interesting, because obviously making it kind of more like almost like a game, right? So people buy the product, it's like a surprise. That's why together that's attract different people. But in terms of the juice itself, because you said health and wealth, what's so special about it?
So yeah, it will contain different types of fruits because let's say if we have berries in that, it's very rich in antioxidants. So it will be very like everything will be natural. There will be very like the amount you need for the sugar content will be that. So there can be a mixture of fruit, and once you see that it is selling well, we can actually fabricate the juice content depending upon a particular consumer type. Maybe a particular class of people have some requirements for the juice. We can do that. So there is a lot of options, but depends upon the 100 bottles.
If I see the business plan, then maybe
Yes,
I'll
please.
I'll-
Sure. Thank you. You can give one to people.